Newborn infant left on main road in Trelawny. Cops are trying to find her parents. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Trelawny police are seeking the public's assistance to locate the parents of a newborn who was left on Sawyer's main road in the parish on Thursday. Reports from the police are that at about 7 p.m., a resident was walking along the main road when a motor car allegedly drove past her, stopped and placed something at the side of the road. The resident made checks and found that it was a baby wrapped in a blanket. The police were summoned and the newborn was taken to hospital where she was admitted. The Child Protection and Family Service Agency was also contacted. Anyone with information that can aid in the investigation is being asked to call the Falmouth Police at 876-954-3073 or the Duncans Police Station at 876-954-2433, the Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.